Have you wondered what to write in an affirmation journal? One of the easiest ways that I found to write an affirmation in my daily art journal practice is to start the sentence with the words I am, and then complete that statement with one or more words. For example, I am hopeful, I am sure-footed in my walk through life, or I am authentically me. In this entry, I wrote, I am an explorer. Let's take a look at another example, and thanks for subscribing. I'll also link the tutorial to set up this affirmation art journal page in the description of this video. By writing I am rather than I want to be or I try to be, that sets the intention of already feeling and experiencing something. We can step into the space of affirming the qualities we desire with a positive mindset, such as this example. I am a warrior. This is one way that I use my art journal for mental health and wellness, sealing my morning affirmation in writing and setting up the day's path to be a journey of intention and self-growth. It's like an agreement with myself, a contract for wellness personally designed by me with myself and my goals in mind. What could you affirm for yourself today, starting with the words I am? Thanks for taking time to journal with me in this year-long affirmation art journal project.